Hello geeks, today I will let you know how to set up a Squid server and check connectivity on Windows 10 client. Basically, Squid is a proxy cache server, that is, it stores frequently accessed data on the web pages on the local network cache server to avoid downloading them each time you connect. Okay. So today we are going to perform this practical on Oracle Virtual VM VirtualBox, and as you can see here, server 20.avnish20.com, it's the server, and Centos7 is already installed on this machine. And in this practical, client 21.avnish.20.com is the Windows 10 client. And to perform this practical, we will configure this client machine, and in this the network card used here is the internal network, and this will work along with this server. And in this server we will enable two network adapters, one on net and other on internal network. Internal network is very mandatory here because of this internal network we will be able to connect this client machine on the same network. And this net is very useful because of the WAN connectivity. Okay, so these are two basic steps we need to do this. Okay, so let us power on this machine. This is the Centos7 already installed on this machine. This is, here you can see Ethernet. There are two Ethernet cards, one is for LAN and other is for WAN. We need to connect both of these adapters. Okay, and this one is the Windows 10 client. So let me show you wired setting. Any of these, you can see here are two network cards. One is for LAN and other is for WAN. This one is for okay. IP is changed. So we will change the IP. This IP, go to IP version 4, go to manual and change here the IP 192.168.7.11. Let me check what is the IP here. 2.11. Okay, I had configured it earlier, so let me show you. 2.11, it's the net mask, and gateway is the IP of router, and this is the DNS, and it must be same. Okay, go to apply, turn it off and turn it on, turn it off and turn it on, close this window, go to applications and check here whether internet is working or not. As we all know, this static IP is very important in case if we turn off this server, and another time if we turn off this server, the IP will get changed. So it's very necessary to set a static IP. and you can see internet is working all good here. So let us check the IP, and you all know command if config. Okay, so this is the IP for wide area network, that is 10.0.2.15, and this is the IP for our local area network, that is 192.168.2.11. So we need to go here and open networking in the sharing center, go to Ethernet, okay, go to properties and select here IP version 4 and set okay. So this one is 11, so I need to change this IP, or I need okay, so I will change this IP to 10 because these two IPs are same. Turn off, turn on, turn on, turn off, so as to apply the changes. Now let us recheck whether the IP is changed or not. Okay, so you can see IP is changed here, and this is 2.10 and this is 2.11. So both of them are in the same network. We will apply the changes. Okay, let us ping these two machines to check whether these two are in network or not. So you can see our ping is successful. Let's do the same on this. You can check the IP by typing IP config command, and you can see this is the IP of this machine, 192.168.2.10. Go here and type ping 192.168.2.10. Oh, sorry. Ping 192.168.2.10. As you can see, ping is successful. We need to terminate this. Okay, so our next step is to install a Squid Server. Okay, so it's very simple, and command is also not that much typical. You can easily remember this command. Just go to terminal and type here YUMINSTLSQUID. Okay, so I need to be admin here, so type as you want, type in your password, whatever it is set. Okay, so type here YUMINSTLSQUID. So it will look for the packages and it will install the package. So you can see it's looking for the mirrors. It will take few seconds to install the server. Okay, you can see Squid is now installed. You can check the version of the Squid just by typing SQUID -v and just go a bit here, and you can see the version is 3.5.2.20. So let's check. Now ls etc and squid, you can see there are the files, and this is the squid.conf file, which contains all the files and your network, the sites you need to block. Okay, so we will make a copy of this file for future, in case if we do something wrong, so that we can have a backup of this file. So it's simple. You can type in the cp etc squid sqid and sqid dot on. Okay, type in just etc sqid Okay, so this will make a copy of this file. I had earlier made a copy of this, so it's saying, do you want to overwrite? I will say yes, let it overwrite. So we can view the content of this file just by typing in like cat etc squid squid dot com. So these are the content of the squid file. Okay, so let us edit this file and add our network to this file. Vim is the editor I will use here now. E for edit. So this is the file and this is the access control. I had added my network here. This is the command is ACL access control list, and local boy is the name of my proxy server, SRC is the source, and this is the network 192.168.2.0, and the net mask use here is of 24. Okay, so just save and quit this, and this will like easy step. This is an easy step. Okay, so if we need to add any block website, so we will create a folder here in this squid just with the name of like blocked blocked underscore sits. Okay, so I had created here two files which I need to block, like facebook.com and amazon.ce. So let us delete that, and if you want to like add another website like instagram.com, so we will press escape, colon, right and quit. This is done. So we need to add these block site to our config file. So we need to edit our config file again. So we will add this file to this script.conf file, and this is simple. Just go to file and I need to edit it. Okay. So this is the command ACL. This is the block site. Destination domain is etc squid block site. This is the file we just created, and this is the HTTPS, and we need to deny this HTTPS to this block sites. Okay, just add in these two lines and save your file. I will just quit here because I had earlier saved these files. Okay. So after writing these files, we need to restart the service of the service of our squid. So command is quite simple. It's systemctl squid. Okay, systemctl. So this will restart your file. Now you can check this on this client machine, but before you go here you need to change some settings here. Just type proxy, network proxy settings, and just turn this manual proxy setup here to on, and give the IP address of this and the port number. This is the default port number 3128 is the default port used by Squid. You can change this, or else you can use this. You can just check this where this is written. Okay, so let me show you where is this written. This is the port number 3128. You can simply edit this file, and you can change this port number to whatever you like, and you can just change here to this port number. Okay, just save the file. Okay, and close this. Go to Internet Explorer. Now we will check whether it's working or not. msn.com, and you will see it's working. Yup, it's working. Now you can check here like any of the pages. And it's taking time. Don't know what is this happening. So let us check google.com. Okay, Google is working. You can just type in here hacker or something, whatever you want to. You can say it's working all good. So we will not check here Instagram whether it's working or not. INSTAGRAM. So internet is working. So we will click on Instagram, and you can see it's not working because we had edited. We had edited in here so that Instagram not to work. So Instagram is not working here. Also, we have added Facebook to our blog. We had also blocked Facebook, so we will check here if Facebook is not working. Rest, we will check here like DuckDuckGo. You can see all the websites are working all good except the ones we had added to our block list. Internet is a bit slow here, but it's all good. Look, it's working all good. Thank you for watching this video.